In this video, we're gonna learn how to change name on Monopoly Go. If you want to change or edit your name on Monopoly Go game, then this video is for you. Simply go ahead and open your Monopoly Go application and also make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are, from this page, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner. This will then open up this interface. Tap on your profile picture right above your name at the top right and tap the pencil icon right next to your name. Enter your name that you'd want to change to. After you are done, tap on submit and you'll be able to change your name. Remember that you can change your name 3 times after you create an account. If you are sure you'd like to change your name, tap on submit and you'll be able to change your name on Monopoly Go. Simply save your change by tapping the save button, and that is how you should be able to do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another video. Goodbye till then.